my YouTube channel. My name is Shreyas. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel. I'm going to upload daily LeetCode problems, and also I will be solving each problem per day. If you like the video, please follow and subscribe, and also comment in the comment section if you have any doubts. I will try to clear your doubts, or we can discuss. Today I'm going to solve the problem called subsets, which is the most asked question in a lot of companies. If you consider over here, this is asked in Google, Meta, Boomerang, Amazon, Microsoft, and most of the companies. This is one of the famous problem which will be asked in a lot of interviews. Let me read the problem once, and the topics which it is going to cover in data structures and algorithms. Given an integer array nums of unique elements, return all possible subsets. Subset is nothing but a subset of an array is a selection of elements of the array. Okay. Return all possible subsets. The power set, the solution set must not contain duplicate subsets. Return the solution in any order. Means they have give here, if you can see in input, they have given a number which contains an array 1 2 3, and the output contains all the subsets of it. And for here the input array is 0, and the subset contains an empty set and a 0. Like, first thing we should know is, like, what is subset. Subset is nothing but if you consider an array, it can be split into many parts, and empty set is a subset of an array. For 1, the subset is empty set and 1. For 1 and 2, the subset is empty set 1 2 1 2. And for 1 2 3, the subset is empty set 1 2 3 1 2 1 3 2 4 and 1 2 3. These are all the subsets of this 1 2 3. Like, here, to solve this problem, this will comes in the topic called backtracking, array and bit manipulation. We can also solve this using iterative approach and recursion. Like, today I'm going to solve this with the help of backtracking. Let me not take much time. I will straight away move on to the code. I can start explaining the things on each iteration, but instead of that, I will show you how we will be going to debug this problem, and I'm going to explain how this is going to work. And first we need to create a function called backtrack, which is going to take the start index and the list. And since I'm making use of backtracking, I will be storing the length of the array in the variable called nums. And next, I'm going to create a list called res to store the result, and I will be calling the function which I have created with the start index and an empty set. And we will go to here, and let's create a shallow copy of this one. We need to append this to result, so we will be considering the first thing, that is the empty set, which we need to append. And I'm going to add res dot append, and I'm going to create a shallow copy of the path. What is shallow copy? Like, there are usually two copies, shallow copy and deep copy. Suppose you assign a variable, you can search in the internet. Suppose you have a nums over here, and if we assign any value to nums, like a is equal to nums, and you pop this particular element and then check what actually the a contains, you will be getting the value of nums, which is automatically added to a. Means you don't have to change the a is also will be having the same value. If you can see over here, at first num is 1 2 3, and then I have printed a, but I have popped num, but still I'm getting a as this one, that is 1 2, because both of the thing will be referenced to the same memory location. If I'm going to create, instead of this one, if I'm going to create shallow copy, and if I check print a, I'm going to see nums. This there is no effect on this thing. And if I create a nums, if we print nums, we can see only num is affected. That's it. uh, that's the topic of shallow copy and deep copy. And I'm going to append this thing, and then I need to iterate through the uh, index for I in range I comma uh, the len of, that is length which we have stored over here, and I'm going to store it, and then I'm going to path dot append. Now I'm going to append nums, that is, if you can see over here, I'm going to append this particular value, and then next I'm going to again call backtrack function with the I plus 1 value and path which I have appended, and later I'm going to pop the value, and at last I'm going to return the result since it's stored over here. Okay, for I in range. Okay, let me check for I in referenced before assignment. Okay, let me check what actually is happening over here. For I in range. Okay, it was supposed to be start. Yeah, that's it. uh, like now I'm going to explain how these things are going to work by showing this in debugging mode. And I'm going to first step, at first it's going to call the functions backtrack. I have assigned the variable in value is 3 right now. I'm going to call the function with the path we have created. We are going to add the this thing over here, and yeah, that's it. Now if I'm going to check on this thing, we'll see. At first it's going to add the result will be getting added with the empty set, and then 1, and then 1 2 3, and then now after it going to add 1 2 3 to the result. Now this loop ends and it will go on reverse, that is the recursion function start executing, and then it will come to top, and we are going to pop this one, and then it's going to pop the path, and if there is no iteration values, if it is going to come out of these values, and then add 1 2 3 and 1 3, and now it's going to add 2. You can pause the video to check the iteration how these things are going to happen. And then next we need to add 2 3. It will go to the next loop and it's going to add the thing, and the last number which we need to add is 3. It's going to check 3 and it's going to append, and yes, the thing contains all finished all the iterations, and we are going to get the result. Yeah, let's submit the thing. Yeah, as you can see over here, we have beat the thing. And since it's like a tree structure, the number of time complexity would be 2 power n into n, which you can see over here. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel for further videos and support.